Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to set up a reliable solar-powered camera system but not sure where to start? In this video, we'll break down the essential components, challenges you might face, and how LINOVISION's Go Box camera system provides an all-in-one solution. Let's get started. So a typical solar-powered camera system consists of 6 essential parts. Number 1, the solar panel. This captures sunlight and converts it into electrical energy to power the entire system. Number 2, solar battery, a crucial component that stores energy for use during cloudy days or nighttime. Number 3, a solar charge controller. This device regulates the power from the solar panel to the battery and the entire system to prevent overcharging and extend the battery life. Number 4, a wireless transmitter. This can include options like Wi-Fi, a cellular router, or a wireless bridge such as the Ubiquiti NanoStation, and even a Starlink satellite dish. Number 5, an IP security camera, a high-resolution security camera that provides live and recorded footage. Number 6, a mounting bracket. A sturdy mount ensures secure installation and optimal positioning for your security cameras. While solar-powered camera systems offer amazing flexibility and sustainability, they can come with several challenges, like compatibility issues. All components must work together seamlessly without performance bottlenecks. You'll very rarely find all the components are made by one company, so sometimes the compatibility can come into question. Complex installations. Connecting components properly can be tricky, requiring high technical expertise or even involving a professional installer. Remote monitoring difficulty. Keeping track of the solar charge status remotely can be a challenge, especially if your system is not designed to display that information online. Limited camera options. Choosing compatible cameras with optimal functionality can be restrictive depending on the brand. Low power concerns. Power consumption limitations may reduce the system's features and efficiency. And affordability. Building a system from scratch can be costly when you're acquiring parts from different manufacturers. So that's most of the components you'll need to build your own solar-powered security system. But here at LINOVISION, we offer an all-in-one solution that addresses all of these requirements for easy deployment. Introducing LINOVISION's Go Box. The LINOVISION Go Box includes 2 100-watt solar panels, an industrial cellular router ensuring commercial-grade VPN and secure remote connectivity, a solar lithium battery, a solar charge controller, a 4-port PoE switch that works perfectly and efficiently with solar panels and solar batteries. It includes a wall and pole mount for easy mounting, and flexible camera options. Unlike some other systems, our solution allows full flexibility without brand or performance limitations. And that's how you build your own solar-powered security system. The components are pretty straightforward, but sourcing them from different places can present certain hurdles when you're designing it on your own. The LINOVISION Go Box is an easy all-in-one solution if you're a little bit intimidated by building and connecting and installing your own solar security camera system. We've taken care of all those complicated parts for you and put it in a simple, ready-to-use housing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to find out about all of our future uploads. Or visit our website, linovision.com, to find out more. We'll see you in the next video.